Tonight we're going to Austria. Well, culinarily, not physically. On Cooking with Jon. Fire in the hole. Fire in the hole. Oh, got the level over. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This is fucking full of shit. Okay, well, I'm glad she's a fitness instructor. She's not a shit. Welcome back, guys. As I said, tonight we were doing Austrian food. We were making some Spaetzle. Never made Spaetzle before, didn't know what Spaetzle was. Went online, found the recipe, thought, what the heck's that? Looked at it, thought, hey, that sounds good. Apparently it's like a Austrian kind of macaroni and cheese sort of idea, but not macaroni, it's different stuff. But looked good, sounds good. Hey, what the hell, I figured. If you don't know what we do, guys, we go online, find ourselves recipes, go out to the store, get the stuff we need, cook it. Simple as that. Doing it for, well, over 100 days now, a 365-day cooking challenge. So, going really well. Anyway, guys, let's get to this. Let's start with our batter. Rinsing our batter smooth. We're going to let that sit for 10 to 20 minutes. We're going to do our onions. So we're going to start with adding our butter to our pan. Welcome back, guys. Now we're going to make the knocking. Our batter's been sitting for about 20 minutes, so it's ready to go. I think it's done enough. I'm hoping. I'm not 100% sure. I really don't know how to do this, but it says we're going to pour this in the colander and rip it in the pot. So let's give it a whirl. We'll see what we think. Look at that. Piping hot. Wow. That is like friggin' macaroni and cheese. Damn, that's awesome. Anyway, wow. So was a fish. Who knew? Wow, come on, guys. Go over here, take a look at the date and time. I suppose if I got on the damn thing, it'd probably help, wouldn't it? Sorry for the technical difficulties. Thursday, the 16th of April, 5:58 p.m. And that stuff's good. Jeez. There, guys. Another Cooking with Jon. If you like what you're seeing, throw those thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Anything you want to see me cook, throw in the comments. Love to hear from you. We'll see you next time. Who knows what we're going to make. Bye for now.